A lot of people have heard the word pacing. Okay, I like to talk about pacing and progressing, pacing and progressing, pacing and progressing. Pace, progress, pace, progress. So, one thing is management, but the next thing is progression. What you want to be able to do with any movement program is you want to manage what you can do for a good solid 2 to 3 weeks without feeling any worse than you did before you started. As your body builds more strength and stamina, okay, and it might be from lying down to sitting up once every day or twice every day, within 3 weeks, that will become a lot easier. Your body will become more adept, okay? Same thing with progressing. You want to do it slowly but surely. You should only progress 5 or 10% from where you started every third or fourth week, provided that your health is maintained that whole time. If you've had a setback, if you've gone backwards, if you've had a stressful situation, if you had a cold or a flu, if your nutrition has been bad, if you have a terrible sleep, then that whole situation changes in itself, because you've obviously got to go back to the drawing board and realize what is important and what was missing, so you can relink it and have a holistic approach to recovery. So, we could talk about this topic for hours because I'm kind of passionate about it, and it's one of the things that helped me very much with my recovery. It got me the guns back, you can see there, all right? But more importantly, it made me feel alive again, and it actually saved my life, because now I have the strength and stamina to do whatever I like whenever I like, okay? And I think that's what everyone's goal is in this journey, is to be able to do that without having to think of the paybacks or consequences with it, okay? So, my suggestion is do 50% less than what you think you should do initially. One of the things with exercise, you want to stop yourself before it stops you, okay? So you should be able to back this routine up and this structure up every single day without making it feel like a chore or making it be hard for yourself. If you're constantly pushing and crashing, you need to readjust your whole life, your whole situation and circumstances to suit your current level of living. Low impact, low intensity exercises are very important. If you do high intensity exercises, that's going to exert you way too much and make you very tired. I talk a lot about stretching and restoring the body without making it feel worse. So things like restorative movement, such as light yoga. It can be lying down, it can be meditation, it can be breathing exercises, it can be simple stretches, it can be foam rolling, it can be self-massage. These things are fantastic to restore energy and not exert energy. So you want to have a fine balance between working out versus working in.